This is Tim Willis, and Arm always copy OBS and built-in laptop microphone. This is another video for the Nomad Funnel Hacker. So we're back on our series about the Barnum PT tool belt, and we'll be starting out here using the sign-up page for Barnum PT. Why not? So let's look at our tool belt. So we've been going through this list of tools on the tool belt, and we have come to the color picker. There are many color pickers available as extensions for Google or Microsoft Edge or Firefox. So that's not unique. What's unique is we have combined it with all these other tools on the tool belt, making it convenient. So let's take a look at the Barnum PT Color Picker. We press the button, we get a circle come up, and as you put the circle over things, it will show you the hex code. Let's go over this blue lettering. And if we click, it will save that color. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use the viewport just to make it easier to get to the Barnum PT dashboard. That's sort of a shortcut way instead of having to log in and bookmark it. You can always do it that way. Then just click on dashboard. And then we will look for colors. Right there, you can see the color that we just copied. You got the hex code there. It lists the website. If we want to, we can set it to a folder, or we can delete it, or we can open it up, which opens us up into a color editor. So this is the color editor in Barnum PT. It's quite a lot here. We got a color, we got a color palette. Gives us the hex code and all the other types codes that we may need to use. It also gives us the shades for the color. So if it's close to what you want, but you want something a little lighter, a little darker, there's some choices for you right there. It gives us the color harmonies that go along with it. It gives us some control down here for your hue, saturation, lightness, red, green, blue. These are largely going to be set by whatever color code you want. But if you want to make adjustments beyond the original specifications of whatever color code you're using, then you can do it right there. A lot of options there if you want to adjust your color just a little bit, or find out more about it. And that's really all there is to the color picker. Color picker generally are not a very complicated thing. They do give us this editor where we can make some adjustments if we want to. Other than that, it's a perfectly good color picker. And of course, with our ability to create folders, you can create a project folder and add the colors for your project to a particular folder along with any other assets you may be using for that project. So that's really it for the color picker in Barnum PT. If you like the video, please like and subscribe because we're all rearranging pictures on the RMS algorithm. And other than that, my name is Tim Willis. I will talk to you later.